Did you know the fastest way to organise your housing information is now online? Simply visit hol.sdublincoco.ie. Here you'll find the option to log in, create an account, or register as a new client. To register as a new client, fill in your email address and choose a password. When you receive a confirmation email, click on the link. This will take you to the registration page. Once here, fill in your personal details. When you are happy that all details are correct, you are ready to log in. Enter your email address and your password. You are now logged into your account, where you will see a range of options open to you, such as applying for housing supports or expressing interest in affordable housing. Housing online. For more information, see hol.sdublincoco.ie.